Hey guys, Ben here, 3dgladiator.com, and in this very short video I would like to share with you a website where you can download beautiful 3D scans for free. The website is called 3dscans.com. The link is in the description below, and it is hosted by the artist Oliver Larrick. Oliver started this project back in 2012, and the special thing about it is that you can not only download all of the models for free, you can also use them without any copyright restrictions. All Oliver is asking for is that you get in touch with him with some screenshots to show him what you have done with the model, and he will then post your work below the corresponding model on the website. So let's take a look. This is 3dscans.com, and it's basically a constantly growing list of beautiful sculptures from famous museums from all around the world. So everything you see here can be downloaded as a high-res OBJ file. You do not have to register or leave your email address. All you have to do is clicking on the download button. So if I select one of the models, I can instantly download it as an OBJ. And by the way, and for those of you who are interested, the images and the turntables on the website are created in Blender, as far as I know. Most of the models are captured with the photogrammetry method, where you take pictures of an object from different angles and align them in a special software that turns the image information into a point cloud and then eventually into a mesh with textures. Some of the scans are completed by 3D artists because sometimes sculptures are not presented in a way that you can walk around them in 360 degrees with a camera or look at them from above. I know this because I had the honor to work on a few of these models, and you have probably already recognized the John the Baptist model at the very top of the page. It's the one I was working on in the last tutorial, and the link to this video is also in the description below. Like I've already mentioned before, you can download the models and use them for whatever you have in mind. You can turn them into low poly models, you can 3D print them or create some fancy renders, and then you can send Oliver an email with your images and he presents your work on the website, like he did for this portrait of a man, for instance. And as you can see, people are creating very creative images based on the models. I have just downloaded a few of them and imported them into ZBrush to show you what you get. All of them are simply stunning and very well selected. So if you are into character modeling or digital sculpting in general, then there is no better way to train your artistic eye than by studying or even copying some of these masterpieces. The artists who have created these sculptures pretty much spent their entire life improving their skills. So there's a lot you can learn. I mean, just look at these beautiful shapes and how well they are balanced and interact with each other. Or the amount of details in the fur. This is simply amazing. I could look at it all day long. Again, everything you find on 3dscans.com is available for free and can be used without any copyright restrictions. You can help Oliver on his endeavor to grow the list by donating in the info section of his website. So that's it for today's video. I hope you find it useful and see you in the next one. Cheers!